relatively up in the same distance, right, between each of the hands. If your bowl or plate is not perfectly round though, like on the top, that's challenging to see that. The other way that I do it is I just let my eyes kind of relax when I tap, and eventually as I'm tapping I can just, it's very strange. It's almost like, it's like there's a wave and then it clicks. It's this very interesting thing that happens. You can actually see it click into place. If you can just kind of relax and relax your eyes, you'll see it click into place. So let's do it with the bowl. Alright, I'm just gonna refill on my marks. Did everybody understand these marks?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna try to get it roughly in the center, right? I'm not gonna start with it here and be like, whoa, my gosh, it's really far.
Smack it.
We don't really want to smack it. So but you can see it's not centered now, yeah? Can everybody see it? Okay. So now it's very, very close, so my taps are going to be a little more gentle. Okay, that's pretty centered. I'm going to do it again. I make this look super easy because I've done it a lot, but it is not double Dutch. Do y'all see that it's not?
What do you mean by double Dutch? Could you give like a demo of what non-Dutch?
What double Dutch is? This is double Dutch. Like, I'm like, okay, it's going a little out on that side. I'm gonna slow it down. Tap. That is never gonna work, ever. Because it actually takes the motion of the wheel to make it happen. And if you're waiting for the thing to hit it at the right time, it's almost like you'll never be able to do it. You'll never be able to just take the step of hitting it. Does that make sense? So what I would recommend is you kind of try moving it first. See how to move it. See how hard you can hit it. You know what actually moves the bowl. And like what gets it out closer, how many times. Sometimes I vary the amount of times I hit it too. So sometimes it's like one, and then it's like tap, 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 like that. Or 3. This is very personal. But once you get it, it's so great. Because now, that didn't take a million years, and I'm like, oh, I forgot to check. Oh good, I can just tap center it, right? This is the other way. This way takes longer, in my experience. You start with a start near the center, and then do you see how it's skinnier on this side than this side? So which way do I need to move it to make it more centered? Toward the what? Toward the skinny side. So I'll move it that way. And then my next ring, notice how I'm using my left hand as kind of my stability again. My next ring, I'm just gonna make it a little bit outside the first ring. So which way do I go now? Towards me? And this, like, not just this way, but that way, right? Okay. Quite a bit. And each time it will get a little better, and a little better, and a little better. A little bit more? That way?
And there's just the different ways to center.
Different ways to center. Yep. So you work it until you get it really pretty close. So that's pretty darn close. It's like right on the edge. It's a teeny bit that way. So I would consider that center. Using that method. Make sense? Okay. The thing I don't like about that method is it doesn't work quite as well as tap centering, but it works perfectly fine. Okay. So you have your 3 little balls. I like to tap them on my, actually this bat's really dry, so I'm just gonna add just a ring around here.